Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Case, both AirPods and a charged battery above 10%. Place AirPods in the case and keep the lid open. This begins the active connection window. Once done, press and hold the setup button on the rear for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This clears most pairing states. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Pairing prompts appear automatically. If you see an iCloud lock, stop and proceed to the unlock checks. If pairing fails or activation lock appears, here's how you proceed. First, contact the previous owner and ask them to remove the AirPods from their iCloud account. This is essential because iCloud ties the devices to an Apple ID. Once they confirm removal, on your iPhone go to Settings Bluetooth and forget any old AirPods listings. This prevents conflicts. Then close the case, reopen it, and repeat the 15-second setup button reset. Once the status light is white, attempt pairing immediately to finalize ownership. Finish by accepting the on-screen pairing prompt and naming the AirPods. This binds them to your Apple ID and lets you use Find My. Then test audio, microphone, and noise controls in Settings Bluetooth to confirm full functionality. If the AirPods remain activation locked despite reset, make sure the previous owner actually removed them from iCloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.